How to use the Amazon subscribe and save option. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about Amazon subscribe and save, which is a convenient service that allows you to automatically reorder your favorite products on a regular schedule. You can enjoy discounts, free shipping, and the peace of mind knowing you'll never run out of essential products. Many household items, personal care products, and other essentials are eligible for subscribe and save. If you're wondering how to subscribe, you will just have to find the product and then tap on the subscribe if it is qualified for so. Once you have selected the product, you can look for the scheduling options where you can find after you add the item to the cart. You can schedule it for the month or any time frame that suits you. To see it on more details, go to your profile. From here, you will see different options. Click on eligible products and then you can see such products easily. Now tap on subscribe now button and you should be good to go. Now to manage your subscription, click on the user icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, under accounts or your accounts, you will see the option of my subscriptions or subscribe and save. Tap on the option and you can easily manage it as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.